Is it on?
Yeah.
Sick! Egg from my fridge. Time is 5:15. We're going to take a look at the living room. See what's we're going to see what's happened.
Let's come around the living room. Let's show a bit of a
What's
gander. This is the dining area, as you can see. Could be cleaner. And a living room as well.
We've got Mr. Monkey sitting on the sofa. Sick!
Would you like to pan around to the living room?
Just walk around the table. See what happens.
Ekinder, hang on. Move one second, go on. Go across that, move forward. Ekinder, we'd like to show what, for example, what has been happening tonight.
Yeah.
Go on. For example.
Hold on.
What's been happening tonight? For example.
Have twos, Richard Trevor.
Would you show him what's been happening?
Honey nuts, crunchy nuts. Who likes honey nut, crunchy nuts? I certainly don't, but I think the fan does.
Guys, what's happening?
Oh my god!
And you've had
Well, I don't personally blame me, I blame the fan. My picture's fine, the ceiling's not.
and you've like pan around to the front room.
Oh, it's a bit of a mess.
And the front room. Which you can see, we've got Coco the monkey sitting on the sofa.
Sick! I found filters. Oh,
And Ekinder, would you like to grab the egg and show us how we work in the kitchen?
would I like to
How do we cook an egg in the kitchen, Kinder?
First, let me look in the cupboard, see if I have any food. Unfortunately, I don't. What's this?
Cooking with a Kinder Chahal.
Egg. We want an omelette. We don't want the quick way, we want the even quicker way. Beans? Ah, beans.
Kinder.
Ah, dear. We're gonna... No, hang on, let me draw some eyes on this egg.
This could be devastating.
This egg is called... He's not a happy egg. He is not a happy egg. Luckily for me, we're going to make him happy. Let's sit in there. Oh, he's falling asleep. Let's see what happens if we put him on curry mode. Woo! Little egg isn't going to be so happy no more. And I'm getting out of the way.
Oh my god!
Oh shit.
How's my little egg doing?
Commentary.
He's a happy egg now. We're going to even more happier. He needs to be happy.
How's it going? It's still there.
Right, I really love moving back actually. How's it doing?
It's on the crack now, it's on the crack. That's stupid. Do you ever watch that? That?
Yeah, turn it off now, Joe.
I didn't say that.
Press the stop button. Press the stop.
That is one happy egg. That is one happy egg.
Happy egg.
I think you can eat that.
I don't think so. Wow. I think we should leave that for a surprise for my mum and dad. We should see what they say when they come back.
That's all for all now, folks.
Wait till Thursday.